Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you if your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 Lite are not charging and how you can solve this situation. So the first thing that you can try is change a different cable. So this is the first step. Try a different cable, try different USB port, and also different like adapter if you're using adapter. The second thing that you can try is that you can try just like resetting them. And how to reset the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 Lite? It's super simple. So you're gonna take both out. And when you're going to take both out, you want to press them 5 times. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. And you can put them back in. So, and you will see if it's going to work out or no. Let me down in the comments what kind of thing helped you. So you're going to take them out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can try it again. So, and close the case. Thank you very much for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.